The Apple AirPods Max were announced today, Tuesday, December 8 via a press release posted to the Apple newsroom, a surprisingly low-key launch, considering how much hype has surrounded the first Apple over-ear headphones over the past couple of years. The first Apple over-ear headphones were quietly announced via a press release posted the Apple newsroom, and according to Apple, they boast incredible high-fidelity audio, adaptive EQ, active noise cancellation, and spatial audio, like the AirPods. They're available to order now, though they'll be officially released on December 15, 2020. You will get it at $549/£549, far pricier than most of the best headphones on the market today. The release of the Apple AirPods Max comes after months of speculation regarding potential Apple over-ear headphones, once thought to be called the AirPods Studio. The Apple AirPods Max come with a minimalist yet luxurious design that's typical of the tech giant, with sleek lines and a stainless steel build, and they come in a range of stylish colors, including space gray, silver, sky blue, green, and pink. They look pretty comfortable to wear, although we'll need to test this out for ourselves, thanks to knit mesh headband, which Apple says is designed to distribute weight and reduce on-head pressure. We're not entirely sold on the look of the mesh headband, but we can't deny that it does look comfortable. I hope you gain value out of this video. Please do subscribe and like this video. More amazing content uploading soon. Don't miss out. Subscribe and get your hands on the latest trends before others. Thanks for watching.